Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to follow or unfollow someone on TikTok. So let's get started. At first let's go to the TikTok app. So here it is. Now we need to search for the person or the user in the search bar over here. So this is the person I want to follow or unfollow. So let's click here and we can see this follow icon over here. So let's click on follow. So you have finally followed the person. Now if you want to unfollow the same user, you can click on this icon in the middle. So this is the icon. So now you have unfollowed the person. If you again want to follow, click here, and to unfollow, click on this icon. So this is how you can follow or unfollow someone in TikTok. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.